In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem a Temu coupon code. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure you can easily make the most of those tempting discounts on your Temu account. First, starting from your dashboard, you'll want to locate the section labeled Coupons and Offers. This is typically found as a prominent tab or button designed to catch your attention so you can quickly navigate to your potential savings. Now, I must note, if your account is new, it's possible that you won't see any coupons available just yet. However, for the purpose of this walkthrough, let's imagine that your dashboard is populated with some tempting offers. Once you're in the Coupons and Offers area, the process is straightforward if you already have a coupon code. Simply enter your code into the designated coupon code box. It should be straightforward to find, usually positioned prominently to encourage you to apply your code effortlessly. If you're familiar with online shopping, this functionality should feel especially intuitive. After you've entered the code, you'll see an Apply button nearby. Click on it and watch as the system processes your code, adjusting the prices of your selected items in your shopping cart. Now let's cover a scenario where you might not have a specific code at hand, but you notice there are indeed some available coupons or offers listed. In this case, you'll want to look for an option to redeem offers. This is your gateway to instant discounts. When you click Redeem Offers, the platform might automatically apply the available discounts to your cart items. Occasionally, you might get a list of offers to choose from, allowing you to select the one that maximizes your savings for the items you plan to purchase. Before you conclude your shopping, it's a great habit to double-check your cart. Make sure your discounts are correctly applied. You should see a new subtotal reflecting the deducted amounts from your coupons or offers. This ensures that there are no surprise charges at checkout and that your budget stays on track. To wrap up, utilizing coupons and offers on Temu is a straightforward way to enhance your shopping experience and get more value from your money. Being attentive to the coupons and offers section and knowing how to apply or redeem them effectively leverages every opportunity for savings. I hope this guide helps you effortlessly navigate through and optimize your Temu shopping adventures with these money-saving tips. Enjoy your shopping!